Oh, whoa. Oh my god. Is that who I think it is? Hello, Aya. Welcome in. Thank you for being first. Congratulations, too. Hello! Hello! I don't know what I'm saying. I'm saying words. It is Sunday. I don't want to work tomorrow, but I have to. You know how it is. I sense your presence. Yes! I did. I smelled it from far away. I could smell a little scent of chocolate orange in the air. I was like, I think Aya's around. I could sense it with my brain cells. Good work. Thank you. Yeah, that's where we're at. I do have more chocolate orange now. Nice. You have so much chocolate orange. I restocked. Nice. You got some good restocks. You got the chocolate orange. You know, you got all that good stuff. All of the good stuff. Exciting. Very cool. I've been off for the past week, and it's been great. I have work tomorrow. That is not great. I'm scared for the amount of emails I'm gonna have when I log back in. I'm not excited for that. I'm gonna have so many emails. It's gonna suck. It's gonna be so much. I'm gonna have so much to do tomorrow, and it's not gonna be fun. Unless if I'm really lucky and there's not a lot to do tomorrow, in which I highly doubt it. But I have so many emails. Oh, it's gonna hurt me. So if you ever see me on Discord tomorrow, that is because I am fortunate enough to not have a million things to do tomorrow. Manifesting? Yeah. Also, my computer works again. This is really huge. I managed to dissect my computer and re-add the new fan, and then undissect my computer. And so now my computer works, and it's not gonna die and lag like little shits. Or it shouldn't, theoretically. I think the last 1,000, or whatever it's called, 100 times resist stream, the reason why that was so laggy was because my fan wasn't working. And it was frying my GPU. And I fixed it for a little bit, and then it unfixed itself, and then I had to buy the whole new fan. So now it works, and my computer is so nice and smooth and not laggy. So hopefully that'll just stay the way it is, because I just spent a lot of money on it, and I would rather not spend more money on it, to be honest. Because that sucks. Do not recommend doing that. That does, in fact, suck quite a bit. Anyway, should get the game up. I didn't even turn the game on. Hopefully I don't break it again. Hopefully not. Rain World is not a game that is prone to breaking, I would say, so I think you should be fine. Sometimes the graphics just don't work, though, so, you know. Sometimes it has its funny haha moments in which it just stops working, but hopefully this is not one of those times, and hopefully everything will be okay, and hopefully... Oh, I have to replay my mods? What? Oh, the game was updated, so it has to reapply mods. It breaks hearts. True. God, this is why we don't have good things. Are you the reason why we don't have good things? I didn't even put the stream up on my phone yet. Let me do that in the meanwhile. While I set this up. I am cursed. True. Nice. Perfect. Okay, it's working right. Good. Look how cute he is! God, the chumber. Oh, I have to add mods. I'm silly and I was not thinking. Okay, let me re-add these mods. Dev tools, expedition. No. I want push the meow. How do I do this? I think I'm stupid. Oh, I'm trying to enable it. How doth one do? Oh, good. Okay, great. Yep. And then camera scroll. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Yes. Yoge. Push to meow is really vital. It's M by default, and it's super cute. And then camera scroll is important. Apply those mods. Go get those mods. The Pi mods require a game to be relaunched? Okay, fine, damn it. We can have good things here. Alright. We'll relaunch the game. Very important. Um cool. Let's relaunch this bad boy. Alright, I'm gonna make the volume on my side a little louder. Let me double check that the mods are right. Yes, they are. Sweet. Okay, story. Continue. Okay, I don't know where we are, to be honest. Look how cute he looks. God, he's so chumber. Chumby, chumby. Chumby, chumby. There you go. Where are we? Oh, I remember where we are. Oh, okay, I'm ignoring you because that was such a pain in the ass last time, and I don't want to do that. Oh, there's a friend here. Can you please fuck off? Forgot there was a way down this way. Cool. Fuck off. Please leave me alone. God, he's so chumby. It's so chumby. Woo. Okay. Yes. I have to remember how to play this game. It's been 2 weeks. Usually I'm not that bad, but I am particularly bad today because I am tired and I have been up since 7 a.m. in a voice call. Which is okay, and I had a great voice call. It's just, yeah. This is why you say the natural predator is trying to eat you. Hey, fuck off. True. This is a true fact. This is true. You could be the next David Attenborough, whatever his name is. Guy who does this type of stuff. Can I not go in there? Oh, I guess I can't. Okay, well, guess I won't do that. I don't remember where I'm going. Oh. 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 Okay, we're going down. Cool. The gutter. Ow, that hurt. Anything this way? There's bad noises this way. I'm gonna ignore them for the time being. And, get that. Go up. Yeah. Yeah. Is this the way I haven't gone? It is. Okay, we're going this way. Always go the way you've never gone before. It is the way of the world. The way of the slug. Oh, shit. I am so out of it. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Rick. I'm so good at this game. Oh my god. Today is not my day. Oh, frick. Is there any way for me to get up there? There's a shelter right there. I would like if I could get up there. Oh. There really is no way for me to get up there. Huh. Yeah, that would be the place to go. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go back out. I know that that's a shelter that I could probably get to somehow, but I'm not dealing with that. Go. Go, my boy. My boy, you have to go. You have to go through. Okay, there we go. God. Down. Yep. That's where we're going. Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. Can you please fuck off? They do look so cool, but they're so scary. And they also are not my friends. Please no, please no, please no, please, please go through, my boy. Okay. If I call it my son, will it go faster? My child, please move. My child, please, you have to get your shit together. Okay. There. Huge. Huge. Okay, cool. Great. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Cool. Okay, which way do I go now? There's things this way. I'm gonna go this way then. If there's things that way. Hello, Prime. How are you? How's it going? I have so much stuff. I am doing so much stuff, and I'm totally, totally focused in any way, in every way, shape, or form. Raccoon. Raccoon. I feel like a little creature going against the world right now. Why are you just sitting there? God, you're so annoying. Can you please leave me alone? Would really appreciate it if you left me alone. What time is it? Halfway. Okay, go down. Aggro this guy. Okay, cool. Woo! Woo! Oh my god, I'm so good. I'm such a pro. Oh, yeah. I'm so good. Okay, this is gonna be bad. Methinks. Okay. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. There's a wall there. Oh, I can get through this, barely. Oh, there we go. The environment is grim. This is so grim. Hashtag grimcore. Oh, please, please don't die. Oh. Okay. Well, we go again. We go again. Merely, we go again. This is the way of the world. This is the way of the world. I could have been going faster. But I didn't. Well, the environment is not grim, to my knowledge. As far as you know, the environment is not grim. Okay. Whoa! Bro, calm down! Holy Jesus! You guys, haters. I didn't know a vulture could come down there. Fine, alright, jeez. That was, like, unnecessary. That was, like, insane. Hi, my guys. Remember when we were haters last time? Yeah, we're no longer haters. We're now friends. Can you please fuck off? Yeah, can you please fuck off? Would really enjoy if you fucked off. Thanks, really appreciated that. God, you suck! You suck! Why are you so aggro right now? You were not aggro the last time. You were maybe aggro at least once. Oh, a vulture just came. Okay, that makes sense. Wait. Oh, shit. I went the wrong way. Oh. That's bad. I went the wrong way. You were just stabbed by a vulture. Why are you still alive? You're not alive, right? Okay, cool. Can I eat you? I can't eat you. Good. Trip was great. Nice. Welcome back, Blob. You weren't even first. What the hell? We were literally in voice call for 3 hours this morning. Uh, how was your shrimp? Did you enjoy? Did you have a good shrimp? Okay, I'm gonna go down. Gasp. Yeah, I'm calling you out. I'm gonna send a call out post. Oh, whoa, okay. That was unnecessary. Shrimp is amazing. Fantastic. I'm glad you shrimped too close to the sun. Um, oh please, go through that hole. Okay, thanks. Um, having elusive Astros fish in for 3 hours and not being first? Yeah, literally. Like, what's happening? SMH my head. Skill issue. Be better. Whoa! Okay, listen here. You got to hear my wonderful voice acting for at least an hour this morning. My wonderful voice acting that no one ever sees outside a street. Okay? Okay, you hear? You hear? You've also got a skill issue crime. You always have a skill issue crime, but we love you anyway. I can't remember when me and Asha were in a voice call together. True, it's been a while. For Troba, yeah, we were playing Persona. Uh, anything for Troba? Troba. Anything to get my friends into my hyperfixations. Because I had music to listen to? Well, I think that's just you coping. Come on, you little shit. Oh. Oh, I'm stupid. Um, skill issue to be TBH. True. This is like the most unskilled gameplay that you've probably ever seen in your— what the frick was that? Oh my god. They're literally haters. Anyway. So because I heard the video, I was like, I'm busy right now. Crime will keep Astro company. Eh, well, you're both here, so sorry. God. I have a lot of vibes, yeah. I'm so chumber. Look how chumby I am. Oh god. Oh god. Hey. Hey. Okay. Frick. I want to go up this way. There's definitely something in that corner. Triple brown, triple brown, triple brown, meow, triple brown, triple brown, triple brown, meow. I love triple brown, meow. My best friend. It's a lie. I'm lying to you. Where's my fruitcake? Yeah, where's my fruitcake? You guys are failing me. Fruitcake chat needs to be better. In my personal and professional opinion. It's a liar. I'm always a liar. The L in Astrofish stands for liar. Oh wait. There's no L in Astrofish because I'm awesome. Holy shit. Oh my god. Can you please fuck off? Can you please fuck off? Can you please fuck off? Thank you. Okay. God, you're so cringe. Well, you're watching because I'm so here. I'm the #1 Astro supporter. Trust. Okay, listen, you've only been here for like a year. like you must understand. You've only been here for like a year here. Shinji isn't here. Yeah, get Shinji in here. I miss Shinja. Shinja hasn't been to an Astro stream in so long. Hey now. Yeah, I'm calling you out. God. Wait, actually, I can— wait, one sec. I need to look this up. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I can look this up. Following since January 2nd, 2024. That's pretty pretty cringe. Aya has been following since October 31st, 2021. Damn. Whole 4 years. Freaky old people. Yeah. I don't know any of you except for Astro. Yeah. Yeah, October or Halloween 2021. Why did I stream on Halloween? Wait, God, what was that stream? 2021. I probably streamed on Halloween. Was that the dog one? Also, Aya's not old. Aya's your same age. You guys are just cringe. You did? It was art? Oh God, that was my art era. God, remember when I just streamed art? Wasn't that so cringe? Wasn't that such a cringe era? Yeah. Imagine doing art. I don't know that. I don't know her. Come here, you little freak. Freak, come here. Come here, freak. Oh, don't do that. That was a little too close. Get on the mods. The mod's good side, but you won't. Cringe. I don't like getting to know people. I just want to ban them all. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. Wow. It's frothing at the waiting for someone to slip up. Yeah, you guys are great mods. You're really good at this. God, I hate this guy. You guys, you suck. You suck. I'm taking your fruit because you're annoying. I took his fruit from him. Screw you. Anyway. For all I know, Astro's 57. True, I am 57. I'm 57 years old. So is, yeah. Who told you I wasn't 57? That's cringe. Lying about your age. It's such a cringe thing to do, isn't it? Sorry. Because then I'd be 57? Well, now you're 57. Congrats. Being old is a lovely thing. Don't you enjoy the wonders of growing old? Oh my god, I am like shit at swimming. Okay, I need to like take a running start. I'm not ready, Astro. Well, you have to be ready. I want to be 57 next. You're actually a cringe age. My joints are bad enough that if I'm 57, I'll turn to dust. Real. I'm like failing at this jump, guys. I'm so bad at this game. Sometimes lovely, wonderful people who actually love this game come and chat, and I have to sit them down and tell them, hey, I'm actually really bad at this. I'm gonna die. I'm actually like horrendous at this game. And I actually don't care if I'm shit at it. I remember being Aya's age, so far away, so cringe, true. Just a wee little child in the world. I'm not cringe, and so I think that's a skill issue. I'm not 5'7". I'm 5'9". Get it right. I'm 59? Whoa. Americans. Okay, none of these mods are Americans. I'm gonna let you know that, Blob. I just want you to know that. None of them are. None of them are. I just think I'm better. Okay, sure, fine, whatever you say. Yeah. This chat is 99% of the time European, and this is why I stream so early. Or so early in the day for me. Because the Europeans can come. The newbie here is the oldest. Can I eat this? Let me eat this. No, you freaking suck. But also, I'm better? Whoa. Seniority contest over here. And that's why we were also in call when it was 7 a.m. for you, so I could stream Persona to you. Yeah, that was a really great idea on my part. I'm not tired at all. No, my sleep schedule has been wonderful these last few days. I don't know what you're talking about. This is totally not screwed up with my sleep schedule because I am playing game at an absurdly early hour of the day. No, 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 no. Could not be me. Oh shit. Shit, 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 shit. Up. Go. Okay, my boy. Can you be stupid for a second? Stop ruining Ash's sleep schedule, newbie. I'm not working. I can ruin my own sleep schedule. I wasn't working this week, okay? Your game name was Plopster Lobster? It was Plopster Lobster. Yeah, I'm Plopster Lobster. So cool. Stupid for. Wow! Wow, yeah, I'm so awesome! I just die! Hey, man. Stupid ass voice. The worst voice I could possibly give a character. It's also like a unexpectedly hard voice to do. It's like, ugh, gotta use my whole throat. Perchoba! Perchoba! Yeah, so cool, Perchoba! Arnold Core, true. Oh, I'm so good, I'm so good! Look at me, I'm so cool. Perchoba. You guys are adding each other? What is wrong with you? Politely. I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh, fuck. I need a stick. Where's the stick? Okay. Kill those guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go. Perfect. Huge. Adding people on such a small chat is wrong. True. Oh, wait. I just ran out of water. God damn it. Okay, fine. I'll sip my water. Oh, fine. You should feel very fortunate that I filled up my water before this. Yeah, imagine not having water. I get with the program. We must all have water. Including you, Plov. It's a requirement for being here. Is the way up this way? Yes, it is. Frick. I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh, look, he's so stuck and he's so cringe. This guy can kill me right here. But I want its food. I want its flesh. I want the feast on its flesh. Your body, the bottle is empty? Well, get some. Oh god, it's coming. Oh lord. Hi, buddy. Oh, frick. 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 Okay. Oh, you too, Sinch. Sincha's not even here. Leave Sincha alone. Leave Sincha away from your craziness. Sincha is here in spirit. As in she's dead. No! That's true. We can't have two Germans in chat. I think if there was two Germans in chat, I think that everything will combust. So clearly there can't be two Germans in chat. There also can't be 3 mods in chat. That's too many mods. But we're German. Well, okay, sure. Oh, look at this little shit. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. I want to kill you so bad. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the other side. It's not worth it. It's not worth my ass. Speak totally fluent German because we're German. Definitely don't bother Sinja for it. No, no, no. Would never do that. You're so German. Yes, that's certainly a German word that I don't know how to pronounce. Germany. Thumbs up. Kill these guys. Eat your flesh and blood. They like flock to me like little birds. And I consume them. Like the terror I am. What the frick is that? What are you doing down there? Bro! This would only work if you watched a documentary Sinja sent. I didn't watch a documentary, sorry. On God, okay. Well, why not? Don't you love Sinji? Because I didn't see it. What is that? I would like to know. Her work is in it, and Paul, jump scare warning. Well, that's not, then therefore I shouldn't watch it, because Paul's there. God, I hate that guy. Okay. Stop. 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 Leave me alone. Christ alive. I will put you underwater and you will drown with me. I hate you. Imagine fluent German. Imagine living in Germany. That'd never be me. No, clearly. I don't even know any people who live in German. Me. What if you spot Shinja in the background? Well, I don't know. I gotta tell you, man. Okay. That guy's just scribbling around. Okay, cool. I'm like so bad at this game right now. I am so sorry. Folks, if you expected anything to be good and big brain, then I am sorry, but I have failed you 1,000,000 bazillion times. Whee! Ooh, my leg is starting to hurt. Ow. Okay. I need to readjust. Why are we talking about fictional countries from Asia today? Should I say from Zhengfa? True. Do you know what Plav said to me earlier today? Plav was like, what is that thing that they say in Ace Attorney? What is that? What is that word? And I was like, what do you mean? And they were like, oh, like, objection. And I'm like, yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like, okay. Clearly you have not played Ace Attorney. It's fine. It's okay. That hyperfixation is gone. What is an objection? I don't even know what that is, actually. I am wearing my Ace Attorney shirt, though. I must admit. I'm not lying, though. I've been called an object. No. You are not an object. You are a friend. Let's go. Huge. What is that? I just think it's rude, and I think that that should stop being gross. Oh, ow. Ow. Get up, boy. Oh, God. Listen, I don't care. I don't like Narumitsu. You must understand that I am, like, a huge Narumitsu hater. I don't like them. No. I think they should screw themselves. Oh, okay, are you giving yourself a shout out? Dear Lord. Oh, no, no, that was crime. Okay. That makes a lot more sense. I was like, are you really giving yourself a shout out? But okay. Like, you could do that. It's okay. You could do that. I just reached a necessary feeling seed, so I have to reference it at least once. Uh-huh. Never be that self-absorbed. I was like, that's a wild thing for you to do, Aya, but okay. Accusing someone of shouting themselves out. I was like, oh. I mean, I can't see who did the command. I actually do want to eat that. Come here, you little fuck. Oh, piss. I've screwed myself. Okay, I just need this little guy. Come on. Come here. Yes, perfect. And I need this other little guy. Yes, perfect. Okay, run, run. Okay, cool. Cool, great. Orb with abs. True. That is an orb with abs. Or, oh, sorry, absorb. God, I see. Oh, I am so out of it. I am so sorry. Okay, I want to go... Last time I went up... I kind of want to go down. Because that would be cool. If I can. If I have time. What time are we at? We're not halfway yet. We have time. We got time. Having us to this is a turn for new people? Because you guys are so chatty? Wow, I wonder why. Please, 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 please. Ugh, okay. Continue. You're always yelling at everything. The yelling is evermore. You know what? I'm kind of at the point in which I might just turn this into an art stream. because I am so out of it, and I feel like that if I don't do something else, my brain's gonna implode. Um, what if I turn this into an art stream? Would that be fun? Please draw. I'm tempted. I'm really tempted. I'm like extremely tempted. Slug keeps dying. It's sad. It is sad, and I also can't focus. And I really want to draw this ref sheet. Enjoy your jaundice. Yeah, jaundice, idiot. This is like getting hemorrhoid. Guess what? Guess what, Aya? You're gonna think this is crazy. You're gonna think this is absolutely nuts. Oh, can you please stop? Please draw Desco Slay? I'm not drawing Descolay, but that is certainly a thought. I do like Descolay. Drawing my ref sheet, because that's all I want to do right now. Which is like super self-absorbent, but I want to. Get jaundice, idiot! Gotta do it in a stupid little voice. Yeah, yippee! Whoa! Is it? What does it mean? I don't know what it means. You think I don't. If I were to just think about what the word sounds like, I would assume it's something related to rocks. But that's just an assumption. I actually want to grab one of these. I know, Aya. I know you're not stupid. Smelting residue. Oh, yeah, okay. So it is rock-ish related. I mean, smelting is not rock, but in a way it is. Oh, hi. Can you please screw yourself? Thanks. Thanks for doing that. Really appreciate it. It's like, I was like, no, it's not what is that? Oh, it's green. Okay, we're stopping here. We're stopping here. I'm getting my tablet out. You know what's crazy, guys? So I have a new drawing tablet, and it has a screen on it, and it's very cool. Okay, go to the art stream screen. Yes, perfect. What's art? I don't know that. I don't know what art is. Can that show up? Thank you. Yay. And then this is so I could see chat while streaming. I'm gonna make a yeah, da, 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 da. I'm gonna make it even smaller. That's too small. Whatever, it's gonna have to do. It's gonna have to do. Okay. I'm gonna change the stream title. I know. I know. I know. Okay, cool. What should we play? Arma. Who's giving shoutouts repeatedly to Aya? Pajoba, copyright free or not. I'm just gonna play Persona music. Sorry. Um, because I love Fruitoba. Is anyone giving shoutouts? Why is it doing that? Yeah, why did that do that? It only showed up on mobile, but it didn't show up on my computer. Very odd. Okay, whatever. Um, Um, Let me pull up the calming persona music list. Uh, Chill persona music. I don't know what's on the list, but I assume it's great. Am on PC? Well, I'm gonna shout out flaws for no reason. Not even that Plav streams. Wait, have you streamed before? It says you've streamed art before. Flav. Flav? Are you lying to me? Are you a streamer? Lies, maybe? Okay. I don't remember. Oh, okay. Exposed. Get exposed. All right. I'm hoping that this is good music. It may not be good music, but I'm gonna just assume that it's good music. Um, no, that's not good music. I'm great. I'm good at this. We're gonna put in Color Your Night because Color Your Night is great. There we go. That's what I did last time. That was fun. I don't remember. It was probably years ago. Makes sense. Oh, let me get my drawing tablet. Anyway, is this copyright? No. I did that I played this the last time I streamed. Almost a year ago. Actually, I've been streaming art way more recently. I too streamed years ago. Get copyrighted? True. You did stream years ago. You should stream more. Fine, I miss your streams. They were fun. Oh wait, I need to plug in my tablet and get everything set up on my side, so pray forgive the discourtesy as I plug everything in. So this is a screen tablet, which is very exciting, but it's also